Configure fully safety-approved power solutions with Vox Power's NEVO Plus AC/DC series. Smallest in its class and the ultimate power solution for demanding industrial and medical applications, where size, power density and weight are vital factors. The series offers multiple output voltages and power options that can be configured in minutes to suit virtually any application, saving cost and time to market. With a wide range of output modules available, including single slot modules ranging from 1.5 volts to 58 volts, dual slot modules capable of delivering 300 watts, and also digitally controlled modules, the NEVO power supply range is extremely adaptable. The digital output modules allow for a much higher level of control and monitoring, allowing proper integration with even more technology. And the open source digital DevKit allows simple, intuitive interfacing with these digital output modules. The NEVO digital output modules understand conventional PM bus commands. However, communicating purely through PM bus can be laborious and time-consuming. The digital DevKit allows higher level, simple English language-based code to be used with each individual isolated module. As standard, the DevKit comes set up to be used with SCPI or Skippy, and also our web browser interface. However, the DevKit is completely open source, built on a standard ESP32 microcontroller, so you can develop using your own preferred language and protocol without any proprietary limitations. Schematics and PCB design files for the DevKit are also available upon request to allow you full customization. To aid in this open-ended development, off-the-shelf micro-click interface modules can be easily added to provide a range of hardware interfaces such as CAN bus, Modbus, DMX, DALI and more. The NEVO digital output modules are designed to support direct connection to batteries and other external power sources, opening opportunities for battery-connected and energy-related applications where charging behaviour is managed at a system level. This, combined with the precise digital control, makes the NEVO digital output modules ideal for battery charging applications.